In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to add page numbers on Pages app on iPad. To do that, first of all guys, you have to tap on this blank option over here and tap on this document option, and now tap on this document setup. When you tap on this, now you have to guys make sure to enable this headers and footers option once you enable, because if you want to add numbers at the top, you have to make sure to enable this footer headers option, and if you want to add numbers at bottom, you have to make sure to enable this footers option. Now once you enable it, now you can tap on more option, and when you tap on this, now you can just tap on this at the bottom, you can tap on this and you can tap on the page numbers. So you can choose the format like page number 1 to 1 of 12 or page number of 1 of 12. So you can choose the format. So I think the second option is quite no, second option is not looking cool. So you can enter the page numbers in the center as well. So I think page number 1 of 12 is looking cool, but it is only adding 1 of 1, which is not looking cool. So because we have only one page, that is why it is adding as 1 of 1. So I think 1 is enough. So this is how guys you can add your page numbers, and just tap on OK, and you will find the page numbers at the bottom as well. You can do this in a similar manner. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.